Ball po tayo. Time out. Time out! Black!
Last 2 minutes of the game.
May isa pa po kayong time out, Black?
73-62.
May isa pa po kayo, Black team. Okay, sayang ang pawis. Back to the ball game. Black. 14 second shot clock lang po tayo. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds. 10 to shoot. Alright, 2 points. This lady, 2 points. Number 8, delaying the ball. Technical daw po tayo for delaying the game. Technical po tayo for delaying the game. Nailagay na. First try. Masok ang isa. Masok ang tiyang press po. Isa lang po. And ball possession na Aroel. Bernal, number 17. 17, din kay Bernal. 17 ulit. Bernal. 14 to shoot. Press po sa gilid. Wala. Tapikan, 17 para sa rebound. 14 to shoot.
3 points.
Press po. Black ball.
Apoy, ataka.